past simple negative form. Let's look at the picture behind me here, and the question is, who ate my cookie? And the answer, don't look at me so. I didn't eat your cookie. So didn't eat is a great example of the negative form of past simple. And let's learn more about the formation and the usage in our lesson. We are using past simple, the negative form, to deny the actions that occurred and finished in the past. For example, people didn't have cell phones back in 1960. So we are denying the fact about the cell phones in the past. Let's look at the formation of the negative past simple form. We start with the subject, then we continue with the additional verb did. We have a negative particle not, and we use the base verb. Pay attention, then we are using the base verb. So we don't use the past form anymore. I did not have time. You don't say had. We are saying did not have time. You didn't go to the store. So you can say didn't, or you can say did not. Did not is a full form and didn't is a short form. We didn't sell our house. They didn't see us. He didn't finish the project. She didn't create this form. It didn't work well. A few more examples. It rained yesterday morning. It didn't rain yesterday afternoon. We stayed at our friends. We didn't stay at a hotel. Lily went to school 2 days ago, but she didn't go yesterday. So the words that are highlighted in red color, didn't rain, didn't stay, didn't go, are example of the past simple negative form. And the phrases that are underlined indicate that we are using the past simple form, like yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, 2 days ago, or just yesterday. And let's look at our short story where we have a lot of examples of the usage of the past simple negative form. Let's read the story. Our family didn't go to Spain for the holidays. My mother wanted to visit Barcelona and the other famous cities, but my father didn't like this idea. He wanted to go to South America instead. We decided to go to Brazil. However, the trip wasn't successful at all. I didn't eat any food, as I was sick most of the time. Because of that reason, we didn't visit any places of interest. My brother didn't take any pictures since he forgot his camera. My father didn't see well as he forgot his glasses. We didn't enjoy our holidays at all. So all the words that are highlighted in the red color are a great example of the past simple negative form. We have the additional verb did, negative particle not, and the base verb go. So hopefully that video was very helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our page. And if you want to learn more, don't hesitate and become a student at Highlands Community Charter and Technical Schools. See you later. Bye-bye.